Okay, I'm still waiting on my tripod, so this is the best I got. Of course, you got the fries. Garlic parmesan. I forgot what these are. We got the hot honey. And I forgot what these are. And you know you gotta get the ranch. I got lemon pepper, barbecue, Hawaiian, and garlic. Okay. I'm a big bag. I just can't keep my weight. That's the issue. And this ranch hit different. I was kind of scared because I didn't know if it was going to be anything open because of the time, and I did not want McDonald's. You gotta stay away from McDonald's. I'm assuming this is the hot honey. They boneless wings because recently wings that have bones ain't been having no meat. I don't know if y'all been noticing that, but did I just go on my shirt? They be stingy with their wing sauce. Just barbecue, they blessed it. These taste like Zaxby's. The fries is good, but I don't think I'm a fry person for real, unless it's like extra salty or extra crunchy. It can be soggy. It can be plain. Like, I'm very particular about my fries, but they okay. They ain't nasty though. Some fried pickles. That would smack right now. These, I don't know what these are because they didn't have no sauce. I don't know too much about lemon pepper either. But here we go. They look dry. Too much lemon. Not enough pepper. What the hell? I gotta get something to drink.